Okay, so here is our private beach. We have our parasols and there's a people there, so I'm gonna go a little bit closer. Okay, it's quite windy. I'm not sure if you can hear my voice. There is a lifeguard over there. So here is our swimming area in the sea. And I'm gonna go to the other place. Here, there is activities. Let me go. The seawater is always clear. Even you can see the fishes around here sometimes. I haven't come here for a long time because now it's jellyfish season, so I don't want to go inside the water. And there's some people doing like windsurfing, kayaking, and we also have a stand-up 패들보드. 안녕하세요. And last time when I did windsurfing, I went so far so I couldn't come back, and then I couldn't control the wind at all. So one of my colleagues took this one to rescue me, and I was rescued by her. It was super fun. 안녕. 안녕. What are you doing there? Working? I see. Oh, so windy today. So windy. And this is the way to going back where I come from. And there you can wash your foot with water. So here you wash your foot and then go to the main area. And then we also have basketball court. Basic balls of boche. And there's a ball inside here. Hi, there's a ball inside here. This is the ball to play. Now how you do is quite heavy. And then you grab it, then stand up here, and then you swing, and then throw. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go get it. I actually played a few times, so I don't know the rule well. I always get help from the French friends. Alright, so I'm gonna put it back. La la la. Okay, like this. Okay, bye bye.